Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. If you're watching the video, I'm talking. Okay, if you guys are confused, this is a clip. This is also going to be its own video because yes. Also, okay, anyways, today I'm going to be showing you how to plug in a cable. So what you want to do is you want to grab one end of the cable and you want to, well, this is how to plug in a USB-C cable and plug a lightning cable into an iPhone. So what you want to do is grab the USB-C end of the cable and you want to plug it into your laptop or the wall outlet. You want to plug it into the USB-C port right there. It's plugged in. Really, really nice. Okay, so then the next thing you want to do is you want to grab your phone or whatever. You want to grab your iPhone or something, and then you want to grab the lightning cable, and then you want to plug it in to the phone. So how you plug it into the phone? You grab the phone, you grab the charger, then you line it up with the port on the phone. I'm very bad at doing this, but we're gonna do this anyway. So you line it up, then you plug the cable in like that. You push it in, and there you go. You just plugged in a cable. This is absolutely amazing. I'm 7Zeb. Thank you guys for watching. If you liked it, like the video. If you disliked it, dislike the video. Please subscribe and comment down below for more tutorials.